Welcome to the video on the Ultimate Starter Set, a technical guide for the modern collector focused on building a 100-country banknote collection. This collector's blueprint emphasizes precision, preservation, and maintaining a global perspective when curating your collection. The 100-country set is a global snapshot of 100 genuine banknotes. It features notes in 100% uncirculated condition, offering wide geographical reach and exceptional security features. Banknotes feature sophisticated engineering. This includes intricate printing using Intaglio for raised textures, advanced security tech like watermarks and color-shifting inks, and material science, transitioning from cotton polymer blends to modern polymers. The collection represents a diverse global circuit. Typically, 35% comes from Asia, 25% from Africa, 25% from the Americas, and 15% from Europe. Iconic specimens showcase modern polymer for maximum lifespan, vibrant aesthetics through exceptional artistry, and fine print complexity that rewards a closer look. Essential tools for the collector's toolbox include currency albums for organization, magnification for checking microprinting, precision handling tools, and PVC-free protective sleeves. Market analysis reveals different values. High-volume notes show steady growth. Exotic origins, such as small island nations, have high demand and significant future appreciation. Specimen notes represent a rare investment. The market scarcity index is determined by production volume and survival rates. Standard sets have high availability, uncirculated notes are premium grade, and out-of-print notes are rare collectibles. As the global collector once said, precision in printing is just like precision in wiring. One small error, and the entire system loses its integrity. The 100-country collection is the master key to global numismatics, featuring countries from Afghanistan to Zambia. Are you ready to power up? Start your collection today and see the world through its technical beauty, master the standards, and build the legacy.